Okay, hello again to everyone. My name is Urška Vori and I'm a marketing manager at Weiler Abrasives EMEA. Welcome on the Weiler Wednesday webinar in the EMEA region. Today my colleague Valentina Propotnik, who is our product manager, will lead us through a new mounting system. This is X-Lock. The webinar will last as usually around 40 minutes. It's being recorded. We will publish it on our webpage, so you will be able to use it also later and for any other purposes. So now we are already very well familiar with Zoom, but anyhow, for the new attendees, we will shortly explain some Zoom tips. In the bottom of the screen, you can find some icons. So all participants have been muted. This is just to prevent any background noise. We will use also a few additional functions throughout the webinar. The first is the chat function. We will give you an opportunity to win a present, and the first submitted answer is the winner. So please use for that the chat function. The next is questions and answers. So we are monitoring that, so you can submit the question at any time throughout the webinar, but we will do the question and answers at the end of presentation. And the last function we will use are polls. So when you see a poll question pop up on your screen, we encourage you to participate by entering your answer or your response. We have also noticed in previous webinars that some trying to use icon raise hand. Please note that this icon is not active. And if you have any kind of, as mentioned before, a question or a comment or would like to say something, please write this and use question and answer icon. Thank you very much for that. I would also like to invite you to visit us online. So our webpage offers full information about solutions, the product, and about our company. Also welcome to visit us on social media like LinkedIn and YouTube channel to check our regular posts. Regarding the upcoming webinars, so we are closing webinars with today, so with the end of July. We will make a short pause in August, and then we will continue in September. We will continue with metal fabrication topics, and we will also add from industrial production. So you can expect an invitation in your inbox and are invited to join. I'm finished with introduction. I think we are ready for Valentina. Valentina, please take over.
Hello, I'm looking forward to share the news about ultimate changing system called X-Lock. Today we are going to speak about what is X-Lock, how does it work, why to choose it, what are the advantages, and what product portfolio Weiler is offering. So most of you probably already heard about X-Lock system. This is an innovative, revolutionary quick mounting system that Bosch developed. The name comes from the shape and function of the system. The X-Lock holder has the shape of an X, and the word lock describes the function of the system. New system enables accessories to be changed with just one click. We are talking about fast, reliable, and without tools. X-Lock is already available with numerous brands from other manufacturers. And all that leads to the fact that it will quickly become the new market standard. And as Beatles were singing, all you need is love, now we are saying, all you need is one click. Bosch Professional has introduced a revolution in convenience for angle grinder users with X-Lock, the fastest, simplest, and most trouble-free accessory change system ever. A comprehensive new range of around 150 X-Lock accessories covers everything from metalwork and stonework to plumbing, tilling, and other cutting and grinding tasks. Almost all of these can also be used on your older, non-X-Lock angle grinders with conventional clamping systems. Existing X-Lock system is implemented in diameter between 115 and 125 millimeters, and the portfolio consists of metalwork accessories like fiber, flap discs, as well as cup and round brushes for cutting and roughing. Then stone, concrete tilling accessories with diamond cutting discs, diamond core drills, and diamond milling cutters. And carbide multi-wheels useful for cutting wood-containing nails, along with plastic, composite or drywall construction materials. But today we will focus now on products from X-Lock family that Weiler offers. Little things on a shop floor make a big difference to our productivity. As an example, we can take swapping out angle grinder wheels. Each standard wheel change can take an experienced professional on average about 1 minute, or as many as 3 to 5 minutes, if they have to search for a wrench or replace a lug nut that rolled out of reach. Studies that were made have indicated that up to 2 weeks of labor per year per fabricator could be attributed to the task of changing wheels, which is quite a lot. X-Lock, a new interface technology from Bosch, takes a different approach to an angle grinder wheel change. A pair of locking jaws secure the wheel to the X-Lock grinder without the need for any tools. An audible click indicates that the jaws on the grinder have locked the wheel in place. There is only one way the wheel can attach to the grinder, reducing the possibility of incorrect mounting. The dangers of over-tightening or under-tightening are also removed. And when the wheel needs to be replaced, a single lever retracts the jaws of the interface, releasing the wheel for a quick tool-free change. Just to tell a few highlights of new X-Lock system. Mounting of X-Lock products on X-Lock angle grinder is 5 times faster than mounting of conventional products on standard machine. There is no complexity, no tools or adapters to mount, nothing that you can lose or misplace. So how do I know that wheel is mounted properly? Also, that is very easy. Audible click tells that the disc is properly fastened. X-Lock products offer universal attachment. They can be mounted on X-Lock tools as well as standard angle grinders. So, and now the next question, how does X-Lock work and is it safe? This is a really important question. Changing an angle grinder's wheel has gotten a lot faster with the Bosch X-Lock system. Pull up the tool's lever and the 2 spring-loaded jaws retract, freeing the wheel. Push the next wheel into place and the jaws lock with satisfying click. It's true that the tool accepts just X-Lock accessories, but it's the first and only angle grinder that requires mere seconds to swap apart, which is a big step forward. We know that many years from now, there were no big changes on angle grinders. So this is really now a very big step ahead. So as said before, you cannot mount X-Lock products incorrectly. Always put a product with the label side towards machine. X-Lock has been successfully subjected to numerous live and extreme stress tests before system was released. So X-Lock system is safe. Maybe some of you wonder how the disc can hold on when it is not screwed on. The unique X-Lock mechanism ensures that the disc is reliably mounted on the tool, even without a flange, nut, or key. By clicking the disc, the clamping jaws and thus the system are locked. The disc can also not come off while the machine is in operation due to a patented mechanism which prevents the disc from loosening while the machine is in operation. Automatic safety systems on the new X-Lock angle grinders include kickback control, drop control, and in models with a protection switch, power is instantly cut if the user lets go, while the X-brake brings to a complete halt within 1 second of the tooling stopping. Optional aids include soft starts, allowing progressive build-up speed to avoid initial kickbacks, and restart protection, preventing an unexpected startup after a power cut or battery change. Auxiliary handles with vibrations damping can also be specified. So what are X-Lock advantages? Conventional accessory attachment involves a nut, a flange, and a spanner, any of which can easily be lost, leading to downtime and frustration. X-Lock, by contrast, is a genuinely tool-less alternative. Simply bring the accessories and grinder connection surfaces into contact and press. A click sound tells you they are firmly locked. Changeovers can be completed in 5 seconds, which is 5 times faster than normal. You can even do it while wearing gloves. There's no attachment nut to seize up on jammed discs, or to get in your way when working at flat angles or damaged material surfaces. What's more, X-Lock indicates that the right accessory mounting direction and won't allow direction-specific accessories such as diamond cutting discs to be mounted incorrectly. So, no more losable parts, no key necessary, and less force needed. So now we will have a question for you. A poll will pop up on your screen. You already see it, and please select your answer. So would you change to X-Lock system? If yes, although the price is higher, yes, faster change over time is most important, and yes, for the same price. Or on the other hand, no, because the price is too high, or no, because the change is too big. So please vote, and we will then later see how what you prefer.
We will just leave for a few minutes the question up, so you can submit your answers. We appreciate you participating, so thank you very much for that. Okay, thank you. We will end it, and we can continue, Valentina.
The new system is 100% compatible with standard tool. So if you have an angle grinder in use, or you have some new angle grinders still on your stock, you can buy X-Lock products and mount them on existing machines. And when it's the time to change the angle grinder, you can just buy a new X-Lock machine and continue to use existing X-Lock products on new machines. As told before, products are 100% safe. We guarantee traceability to a single piece. Every cutting and grinding wheel is marked with validity, year and month and day, and with a special traceability code you will find on the black circle on the label. All X-Lock accessories and consumables can be also marked with EN and ANSI and OSA where applicable. X-Lock products are tested on same safety parameters and have to reach the same prescribed values as regular wheels with borehole 22.23. X-Lock has been successfully subjected to numerous live and extreme stress tests. So during the development time, we were also doing a lot of different ways of testing, looking for critical parameters, characteristics. So in our production, we are aware of the fact that safety is of highest importance, and therefore we implemented additional testing methods which required also investments in new testing equipment. So some of them you can see on the screen. All products are inspected and critical characteristics are checked before any shipments. Angle grinders are meant to be used at an angle, so that annoying lock nut that holds the blade on prevents you from grinding with the wheel flat against the workpiece, should your application require it. More importantly, the lock nut is time-consuming to remove or reattach and requires you keep the wrench handy. The new system allows the user to change accessories quickly and tool-free, ensuring the locking system will not be compromised by dust nor repeated drops of the tool on a concrete floor. Also, the ergonomic touch of using steel reinforced plastic for the locking lever is added. The steel is for strength, and the plastic is so that heat generated by tool will not burn your fingers at the point of contact. Result is flat and smooth grinding. No annoying clamping nut, which enables easier machining and requires no reworking due to scratches.
Okay, thank you, Valentina. We will make a short pause to win a present. And if you remember at the beginning, the first attendee that will submit the right answer in chat function will receive a Weiler HD camera. And the question is, so can I mount X-Lock cutting and grinding wheel also on conventional angle grinder? So please use chat icon, and the first submitted answer is the winner, and we will announce the winner at the end of presentation. I wish you good luck.
Okay, now it's the time that we take a look at X-Lock Weiler video, which is available over on our web page. Okay, let's focus now on Weiler X-Lock product portfolio. So Weiler was one of the first abrasive producers invited by Bosch to develop cutting and grinding discs suitable for mounting on X-Lock angle grinders, and also to be part of the big launch of X-Lock accessories. So the big launch was in spring in 2019. And for that, we were developing products from thin wheels 1.6 millimeter to flat and depressed center 2.5 millimeter cutting wheels, and also grinding wheels 6 millimeters. All products were successfully tested and confirmed, and production started. So our common aim is to establish the X-Lock system as the new market standard, and then to reduce the number of angle grinders without X-Lock, until a corresponding market penetration is achieved. Both systems are offered in parallel. So get the job done right and done fast with Weiler X-Lock products. Weiler X-Lock products are offered in 2 quality levels. Metalynx Max maximize productivity with superior combination of life and cut rate. Products remove material effortlessly while providing outstanding product life. Besides that, we are offering Metalynx Professional, Metalynx Pro line, which delivers the right combination of performance and value and offers a long life solution for all your general purpose applications. So now let's start with our cutting wheels. In both quality levels, Max, which is on the left side, and Pro, which is on the right side, we offer cutting wheels in diameters 115 and 125. We start with 1 millimeter flat wheels, and then additional 1.6 millimeter cutting wheels, and then with the thicker range of 2.5 millimeter flat and depressed cutting wheels. Products in Max line provides faster cut and longer life. One version, which is contamination-free, free of iron, sulfur, and chlorine, is meant as 2-in-2 products, That means it's best performance on stainless and metals. And then there is another line that is meant for cutting of different metals. Grinding wheels are at the moment offered in thickness 6.5 millimeters. Later, if needed, we will also add some thicker products. You can get products for inox and metal, which is ideal for stainless steel and other hard to grind materials. There is a separate line of products for grinding on metals. Next line, with special grains, help metal fabrication professionals get the most demanding jobs done right, and now with X-Lock system, even done faster. Wheels provide higher material removal rate and longer life compared to Pro line, which deliver consistent performance and fast grinding at a great value. An aggressive, hard-working product line for everyday general purpose use. Beside cutting and rigid grinding wheels, Weiler family of X-Lock products consists also of flap discs. Max ceramic with ceramic alumina grain and phenolic baking in grits 40 and 60 is available for maximized productivity and superior combination of life and grinding speed. Products with zirconia grain are offered in grain sizes 40, 60, 80 and also 120. Ceramic and zirconia alumina grain options provide cool and fast grinding action, allowing you to do more work in shorter time. Discs are also contaminant-free and suitable for use on stainless steel. Zirconia flap discs are produced also in professional line. They are designed to deliver performance, consistency, and reliability when grinding and finishing metal. All flap discs are packed in a box that contains 10 pieces. Weiler is a global company. Our facility in the United States is a leading producer of wire brushes in premium quality range for the States. The third group of X-Lock products are also Weiler wire brushes. You can choose between knot wheel brush, knot cup brush, and crimped cup brush. Knot wire wheels are used on angle grinders for tough cleaning jobs. Featuring Weiler's individual knot construction, these radial brushes are available in heat-treated steel and type 302 stainless steel. Those brushes are meant for weld preparation and cleaning scale and heavy corrosion and removing heavy burns from large pieces after cutting. Available is X-Lock knot brush in diameter 125 with wire size 0.5 millimeter and with hurricane twist. Cup brushes are used for cleaning large surfaces faster than a wheel brush. We use them to remove paint and coatings, for cleaning rust, scale and corrosion, deburring and weld preparation and cleaning. X-Lock cup brushes that we are offering are in diameter 75 millimeters. Still a few words about X-Lock angle grinders that are available on the market. Bosch offers a variety of X-Lock angle grinders and over 150 X-Lock accessories with diameter of 115 and 125. X-Lock angle grinders you can find under GWX marking. You can find angle grinders from 750 watts to really strong, powerful machines, 1.9 kilowatt. And also cordless angle grinders with X-Lock systems are available. Next year, additional diameter of 150 will be added to X-Lock assortment. So all X-Lock cordless angle grinders are equipped with the extra fast braking function X-Brake, which ensures that a disc stands within 1 second after each device stop for increased user protection. A corresponding solution is being worked on for network angle grinders. Dust does not affect the X-Lock mechanism. This has been extensively tested under realistic conditions as well under extreme conditions in the dust chamber. Information on cleaning can be found in the operation instructions. So here we can find also drop control, which ensures that the tool turns off automatically if it is accidentally dropped. Then the kickback control, which reduces the risk of kickback when the disc is blocked, and restart protection, which prevents the machine from starting up unintentionally after a power failure. Beside Bosch, at the moment, Makita is also offering X-Lock angle grinders, and soon also other producers of angle grinders will get opportunity to become a member of X-Lock family. Since X-Lock is a new thing on the market, it has to be introduced and explained to end users. To help you get all information about the system advantages, usage, Weiler prepared promo materials. There is a promotion leaflets with basic information about X-Lock system. We prepared, as you saw today, how-to video with demonstration comparing classic mounting system and X-Lock fast changeover, showing time savings. And Weiler team organizes X-Lock trainings for the clients on X-Lock demo grinders. And due to COVID-19, our sales promotion was moved from spring to autumn this year. I hope the situation in the world will become better so that we will all have the possibility to start with the promotions and to come closer to end users. Use Weiler X-Lock products to simplify your work and save time and money. More than 30 brands are part of the X-Lock revolution system at the moment. X-Lock is quickly established itself as the market standard because Bosch is already working with numerous providers. This offers everyone a huge selection of X-Lock accessories of every type and price range. So now we are coming to the end of our webinar. And what is the summary of today's introduction? For cutting and grinding applications, there is a new tool available, which is simple, easy to use, safe, and save time. X-Lock enables to spend more time on the job and less time on the bench. There are no losable parts, no tools or adapters to mount or to displace. New system offers user protection. As we said, audible click tells the user that the disc is properly fastened. Novelty brings universal attachment. X-Lock wheels can be mounted on X-Lock tools as well as standard angle grinders. So I'm very pleased that you have donated your precious time to be with us today and to hear about new changing system, X-Lock story, that I hope we all will be part of in the near future. So Weiler invites you all to a common X-Lock journey. Thanks. And now if there are any questions, please, let's ask.
Okay. Thank you, Valentina, very much for your presentation. It was quite very interesting. Before we jump to questions and answers, let's announce the winner of the giveaway. And the winner is Mr. Rino Sharovic. I congratulate you. So you have received the Weiler HD camera. We will get in touch with you regarding the details about the shipment. And we wish you a good moment with this camera so that you will catch interesting moments. We have received, so now it's the time that you submit your questions. If you have any kind of questions, please submit those. And we will do few of them, and the rest, if something will left open, we will follow up with you on email. So the one question we received is using the same as with conventional grinders. So regarding approach, angle, and pressure applied.
Yeah, so the usage of the products is totally the same, except so as we saw for the grinding wheels, we can get much easier access to some parts for different materials. So it is easier to grind with X-Lock angle grinder, but otherwise the system works totally the same. Change over is faster, but products behave in the same way. So same quality and same safetiness.
Okay, thank you. The next question is, can I convert a standard machine to X-Lock machine?
So no, this would not be possible due to the significant technical differences of both machines. So this was also something that Bosch team was working.
Okay. The next one is it possible to mount X-Log product on a standard angle grinder?
No, unfortunately not. But as we said, the X-Log product can be used on standard angle grinder, not vice versa.
Okay. And we will finish with this last question. Will X-Log system also be available for large angle grinders?
So at the moment, as we said, the system is available in diameters 115 and 125. Next year, 150 is also going to be launched. And for other tools, there are also the implementation of other tools is currently being evaluated. So we need some time to see about possibility. But as I'm informed, Bosch has also plans to work on that.
Okay, thank you very much, Valentina. We have covered all the questions we received. So I thank you again to everyone for joining us, participating. So as mentioned at the beginning, we are making a short pause in August with webinars, and then we will continue in September. So I wish you a nice summer, and we are again in contact with the beginning of September with webinars. I wish you a good day. Thank you and bye-bye.
Thanks.